You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these phrases from Latin? Two different pronunciations. A posteriori. Posteriori is the most common probably pronunciation in English, but for Latin, more Latin sounding pronunciation, some say it as a posteriori or a posteriori even. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.